Hello guys! Today, we will learn about what are inbound and outbound calls in a call center. So let's start by understanding what is an inbound call. Inbound calls are calls that are received by a call center from customers or clients. These calls are typically initiated by the customer for various reasons such as support, inquiries, complaints, or to place orders. Now, let's proceed. What is an outbound call? Outbound calls are calls made by a call center to customers or clients. These calls are usually initiated for purposes such as sales, follow-ups, surveys, or marketing campaigns. Now, these are key differences of inbound and outbound calls when it comes in who starts the call and purpose. So now, let's proceed in example scenarios of inbound and outbound call. Inbound call example. A customer experiences an issue with their recently purchased smartphone and decided to call the customer service department of a smartphone company for assistance. Inbound call scenario. The customer dials the customer service number. The call is received by a customer service representative or a call center agent. The representative listens to the customer's issue. The representative provides troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. Outbound call example. A bank wants to inform its customers about a new credit card offer and decided to call customers who might be interested. Outbound call scenario. A sales representative or a call center agent from the bank makes a call to a potential customer. The representative introduces themselves and the purpose of the call. The representative explains the benefits and details of the new credit card offer. The customer listens and asks questions or requests more information. The representative provides answers and possibly processes an application if the customer is interested. If you learn from this video, please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you!